You sit down to work, but within seconds, your brain wants something else. You check your phone, open another tab, scroll, just for a second, and suddenly, 30 minutes are gone. This isn't laziness. This is something much deeper. Your brain has been rewired. Every notification, every short video, every quick hit of entertainment, this is called dopamine overload, is training your brain to avoid effort. Dopamine is the chemical that drives motivation. But when you get too much of it, too easily, your brain stops responding to normal tasks. Work feels boring. Studying feels painful. Even simple focus becomes difficult. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize it's happening. They just think they're lazy. But you're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Your brain is addicted to easy rewards, and anything that requires effort now feels uncomfortable. But here's the good news. You can fix this. First, reduce your distractions. Turn off notifications. Put your phone away. Create a clean environment. Second, start small. Don't try to focus for hours. Start with just 10 minutes, then 20, then 30. Train your focus like a muscle, because that's exactly what it is. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. And finally, accept boredom, because focus begins where distraction ends. If you can sit with boredom, you can rebuild your attention. And once you control your focus, you take back control of your life. Because in a world full of distractions, focus is your greatest advantage.